Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, give this video a like and subscribe down below. And today we're going to be doing this look using this palette. Before we get into this look, I'd like to thank
Rebecca Martin for commenting on my last video. It means the absolute world to me that you're supporting me.
For being the first person to comment on my last video. I really appreciate it. It means the world to me that you guys watch my videos. It means even more to me when you interact with me, when you leave comments, when you like the video. And I've said this several times before, but I recently had a family member pass away due to certain circumstances, and by the next line I'm sure you can guess. But if you're ever having trouble and you're feeling depressed or have thoughts of suicide, or someone you know is, please contact somebody. A doctor, a friend, me if you have to. Just talk to somebody. I will be more than happy to sit and have a conversation with you. You can contact me through YouTube comments. You can contact me on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. I'm here. I will listen to you. What you have to say is important, and just know you're not alone. Like, we all go through struggles, and I'm sure yours are worlds different than mine, and maybe even worse than the situations that I've gone through. But I promise I won't judge you, and I promise that I will be there if you just need someone to talk to. So, without making this video any heavier, let's just get into this bright, fun, pink lemonade type look.
We're using the Festival palette by Profusion today. We're going to go into that bright neon fuchsia looking color, and we're going to take it from the outer corner into the crease and into the inner corner, kind of make that half moon shape. It's taking a lot of building up, but so far the color isn't going anywhere, so that's okay. I'm fine with having to build as long as it's not like disappearing on my eyeball. We're going to go into the yellow, and this is where I get frustrated because not only is the yellow not really showing up, but the pink is starting to fade away from where I'm trying to blend the two colors together, and it's really frustrating me. I'm going to take this orange to help blend the yellow and the pink together a little bit better. But again, it's just kind of making the pink fade away, and that was aggravating me because as much as I built it up, it shouldn't really be fading like that. We're going to go back into the hot fuchsia pink color to help build it back up. You can't really tell on camera. It looks a lot brighter than it was in person. In person it looked super dull. So I was just kind of like trying to bring that color back out and make it very vibrant and beautiful. Now I'm going back and forth between the orange and the yellow to try and get that blend that I wanted. I wanted the yellow and the pink to do it itself, but it wasn't really working for me, so I just added that orange in there to get it, and then just kind of made the colors look like they blended that way on their own. With concealer, you're going to want to cut your crease 2/3 of the way, and then you're going to add the shimmery pink shade on the inner corner to about halfway-ish, maybe a little less. You're going to take the yellow shimmery shade in the middle, overlapping the pink just a little bit to get a gradient, just to get like a nice blend so it's not a harsh line. I'm also taking the yellow on the brow bone to make the matte yellow pop that I placed there earlier. In the pan, this shimmer shade kind of looks maroon, but as you can see, it blends right in with the fuchsia color, so you're going to take that and put it on the outer corner and kind of overlap the yellow just a tad, just to help it blend, and then you're going to take the yellow and overlap that fuchsia color, and it'll give it like a nice gradient. And then you're going to take the matte fuchsia color and go on the lower lash line and a little bit into the outer corner, and that'll all just help it blend and look seamless and beautiful, and like you really just been blending for like 5 hours. Then you're going to take this burnt orange and place it on the lower lash line and kind of blend it into the fuchsia color. Then for a nice pop, I decided to put this bright, vibrant blue on my lash line, or on my waterline, and it hurt my eye, but it looked really pretty. I'm going to use the Tartist palette for the highlighter. I've been using it ever since I got it in my BoxyCharm. I'm still kind of on the fence on whether I like it or not, but it smells amazing. Apparently I got something on my face, which doesn't make any sense because I just put makeup on, so I don't know how I would miss something on top of my face. This has been my favorite mascara since like 7th grade, but watching the video now, I realize it's like not doing anything for my eyes. So if you guys have any recommendations for drugstore mascaras, please let me know because I have no idea. Peeped my little handheld mirror that my sister-in-law and brother-in-law got me for Christmas one year. It's the only thing I have to put makeup on, especially with the ring light being there. And I'm using the Dominique Cosmetics lip gloss that I got in my BoxyCharm. It smells so good. It's in Strawberry Lemonade, and it just is so pretty.
Alright guys, that's the finished look. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Now I am going to be honest with you guys because I am, like, that's just who I am. This is the first time I have ever had problems with this palette, but it was kind of frustrating me because it was reminding me of the BH palette where I like literally packed that pink on so thick, and then I'd add like the yellow to get like an orange in between. Like obviously it was going to be like bright orange. It was probably going to be like a, you know, a variation of orange because of the pink and the yellow, but instead it like just blew off my eyelid, and that was frustrating to me because I don't appreciate that. I don't want to spend my money on something that's just gonna dust right off my face. Like I don't appreciate that. I've never had that problem before. Usually this thing is super pigmented and I love it. Today I was not feeling it, and I'm sorry if I'm squinting, I have no contacts in. But I was not happy with this palette today. I was getting super frustrated, but I want you guys to know that because it was pissing me off. That's what pisses me off with the BH palette, so I just want you guys to know because I'm not trying to hide anything. This is still $12 and a much bigger palette compared to the almost $20 palette from BH that's like this size, I think. I don't know. Somewhere around there. I don't have my glasses on, so I can't see about how well I did that, but you get my drift. Way more affordable, so if I have one problem with it, okay, I can forgive that. If I keep having this problem, I will let you guys know, because I definitely don't like that. I don't appreciate it. I don't care if I spend $5 on a palette or $500 on a palette. Dear Lord, please never let me do that. But if I did, the damn thing better work, regardless. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Let me know down in the comments whether you like this makeup look or not. Be sure to comment anything you want, because the first person to comment on this video gets a shout out in the next one. I just want to say thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.